So in this video we're going to be covering what commenting is. I'll get into it in the video, but we're not actually going to be running any code today. This is just to show what commenting actually is. So yeah, roll the intro. Okay, so let me reset the timer and we can get started talking about commenting. Right, so what is commenting? Commenting is basically, it doesn't help the functionality of a program, but it helps your productivity as a programmer. It's so that you can understand what code you have written. As of now, with the basics, it's not very important to use commenting in your code, but when you get into writing larger programs, commenting can be a really helpful tool. For example, if we wanted to print 1, then print 2, and print 3, but we wanted to do it in a different way, so say we did that as 2 plus 1, and that as 1 plus 1, and that is 1 plus 0. And as I said before, this is really basic and commenting isn't really needed here, but if you had a larger program with more complex stuff, then yeah, commenting can be really useful. Commenting can help you understand your code. So say here we want to tell us, or our future selves, or someone else who's going to edit this program, that the output of this is going to be 1. And so to start a comment, we need to type hashtag. That's going to tell the interpreter that this isn't code and we don't want it to be read as code. Then we can type whatever we want to, so this is a comment and it's not going to affect our code. So outputting 1, and we can type as many of these as we like. Just remember, if we put something if we put anything after the comment, it won't be viewed as code, rather as a comment. Right, so that's kind of all I wanted to cover on commenting. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time.